Welcome. Today, we're diving into a neat WhatsApp trick that's going to seriously level up your messaging game. Pinning messages for 30 days. WhatsApp has updated its features, and now it's easier than ever to keep those important messages right at the top of your chats. No more endless scrolling to find that crucial piece of information. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app. Once you're in, navigate to the specific chat where the message you want to pin is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Doesn't matter. Next, find the message you want to pin. This could be anything. A date, an address, a funny meme you want to keep handy. Anything. Long tap on the message. By long tapping, I mean press and hold your finger on the message for a couple of seconds until a menu pops up. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 dots aligned vertically. This is the menu icon. Tap on those 3 dots to reveal a list of options. From the options that appear, select Pin. Once you tap Pin, WhatsApp will ask you to choose a duration for how long you want the message to stay pinned. You'll typically see options like 24 hours, 7 days, and the one we're focusing on today, 30 days. Choose 30 days. After selecting this option, WhatsApp will pin the message to the top of the chat. You'll see a little notification confirming that the message has been pinned, and it will remain there for the next 30 days. This ensures you and everyone in the chat can easily access it. If you pin more than one message, a banner will display the number of pinned messages. The most recently pinned message will appear first in the banner. Tap the banner to view all pinned messages in the chat. To unpin a message, simply long press the pinned message banner and tap Unpin from the menu. Keep in mind that everyone in the chat will be notified when you pin a message, especially in group chats. Also, if someone joins the group after the message was pinned or has cleared their chat history, they won't be able to see the pinned message. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a message for 30 days on WhatsApp. This is super handy for keeping important information accessible without having to dig through your chat history. This feature is available on Android, iOS, and even the web version of WhatsApp, so you can use it no matter how you access your chats. So go ahead, try it out, and make your WhatsApp experience even more organized and efficient.